How to delete iMessages messages automatically. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically delete iMessage messages on iPhone to save storage and protect your privacy and keep your chats clean. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to settings and then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps and then search for messages and open it up. Scroll down and you can see keep messages under message history. Just tap on it and then you can see 30 days, 1 year, forever. So you can set it to 30 days. And now messages older than 30 days will be permanently deleted. So you do not need to manually delete it after 30 days. It will be automatically deleted by iMessage. So this will also apply to SMS, MMS, and also the iMessage. So hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.